Tu es dit, aime-moi, prends-moi dans tes bras, et je n'ai plus personne. Et ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps, et si tu m'abandonnes.
Hey guys, let me show you what happens when someone looks at a standard Palm villa and says, yeah, that's not good enough. We're on Frond E, standing in front of a 65 million dirham villa. I know, that number hits hard. And before you think I spent too much time in the Dubai sun, let me show you what actually happened here. This started as a very standard garden gallery layout. Nothing special. We've all seen it before. And then the owner decided to strip it back completely and rebuild it properly. What you're looking at now is one of the most expensive and high-spec private renovations ever done on Palm Jumeirah. If you're someone who hates the word standard, you're going to enjoy this. And stick around, because I'm going to show you a hidden room later that feels straight out of a James Bond movie. Let's take a look inside. From the moment you walk in, it feels calm, open, and balanced. From here, let me show you something unexpected. This is a private gym. And yes, it's got a glass window facing the garage, so you can work out while gazing at your cars. The gym equipment is still on the way, but this is a pretty unique room in this style of villa. Before we proceed to the living area, let me highlight the staircase. It's been completely redesigned to feel bigger and impress anyone who walks in. All right, now let's take a look at the living space. This is where it stops feeling like a normal house, and it starts feeling more like an Italian design showroom. All the furniture here is high-end Italian designer pieces. And check out this TV console, made of backlit onyx marble. So even the old patio was turned into a TV room, so that every part of this 5,900 square feet villa was used. There's no wasted space. And now the kitchens. You've got two kitchens. A show kitchen for your guests, and a back kitchen for your daily use. But let's be honest, this is the reason why people buy on the Palm Jumeirah. The owners have fully extended this plot to be able to install this bespoke infinity pool. The pool is heated and chilled, because in Dubai, let's face it, the pool is the temperature of soup in July, and that's unpleasant. You've also got a jacuzzi, a barbecue area, and direct beach access. And that view, that's the Dubai Marina Skyline. It's the kind of view that makes you forget about your morning emails instantly. Up here, the redesign continues. You now have 4 bedrooms. Every bedroom is en suite, with custom wardrobes and clean stone finishes. Everything feels planned to perfection. Now the master bedroom is where it gets interesting. You walk into the walk-in closet, and then you realize there's a hidden door. Look, this is still unfinished, but this is where you can store your watches, a safe, or even if you want to disappear for a few seconds. No one will know you're here. Now let's talk numbers for a second. At 11,800 dirhams per square foot, you aren't just buying square footage, but top-notch materials at a level of detail that's rare, even for the Palm. A property this unique should be experienced in person and not just on the screen. You need to stand on this private beach, see the Marina Skyline with your own eyes. So contact me today to book a private viewing and see what 65 million dirhams of pure sophistication looks like.